Okay, I got to record this really quick. I have to hold it up because I don't have a stand for it. But it's definitely going. And that's the bigger one. And it is flying. Of course, because it's not balanced, I got to be cool with it. Woo. There it goes. Now it's flying. Yeah. Once it gets in the position, it just goes and it's nice and stable. Nice. I just wanted to get that recorded. Once it slows down, it starts to wobble around a bit. There it goes. I have no idea what the RPM is. And again, this isn't even tuned or anything. I just had to try it. Let me see if I can get anything on here. No, because I don't have a sticker on there. Whoops. Here, let me start it from scratch. Come on. There it goes. It's drilling a hole in the plastic. I'm going to have to get glass up there. But again, this is the big one. There it goes. Yeah, once it gets going, it's okay. Like right now, it's going really well. Anyway, I just had to try it. That's at 12 volts, and again, it's using the Bedini circuit, and it's charging up the super caps. I tried to do it with the pancake coil, but I don't think I had it. Something wasn't right. Maybe it just wasn't. I don't know. But yeah, it's drilling into the plastic over here. So I've got to get some kind of glass there or something. There it goes. Yeah, sometimes it just gets going really nice. It's really flying now. It's dead silent, too. Anyway, again, I just wanted to give it a try just to show you guys that it actually works. So, not bad. Not bad. Really silent. I'm going to try it with the pancake coil. All right, let me set up the pancake coil and we'll see if it works. So really quick, this is that oh crap, this is that oh, it was going so good too. This is that hall sensor that has the four there it goes. This is the hall sensor that has the four there it goes. That has the four leads instead of the two leads. So you don't need a transistor. You basically just need a coil and some connections. Oh, see, that's going really nice now. And it does it at very low voltage, 3.4 volts. and that thing is flying. Oops, I gotta be careful because if I don't have this. Yeah, I gotta be careful. I don't have this. I don't have it mounted down properly, as you can see. I was just throwing it together just again to try it. I'll put all this together the correct way and get this puppy balanced and tuned. And for whatever reason, I can't get the pancake coil to work. But whatever. Ciao.